How to fix the Instagram you cannot send messages for 3 days problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having this restriction in Instagram, it typically occurs when you have violated the Instagram's guidelines or exceeded the usage limit. So here is how you can address and potentially fix this issue. To get started with, head over to understand the reason. It could be because of violation of community guidelines, such as sending spamming messages, offensive content, or violating the Instagram policies. Another thing would be sending too much messages, especially to people who do not follow you. This can trigger the violation activity. Likewise, using bots or third party tools might also lead to this. These bans are typically temporary, lasting for 3 days, so refrain from further activity that could extend the ban. But you can appeal the restriction by going to Settings, Help, and then report a problem. Describe the issue politely and request a review if you believe that the restriction is a mistake and you have not violated the community guidelines. After that, long press the Instagram app and go App Info. Head over to Storage and Cache and clear the cache. After that, restart the device and then log in back again into your account. This should probably fix the issue. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.